I'll be sharing with you the green seasoning that will make your dishes give what it's supposed to give. Stick with me, let me walk you through it. You will need spring onion, parsley, basil, thyme, rosemary. You're going to transfer all these to a blender. Chop onion in, green chili, green bell pepper, red scotch bonnet. If you have the green one, that will be fine. Ginger and garlic, and top it up with vegetable oil for easy blending. You're going to blend this to smooth. Add any seasoning powder, salt, and blend this to mix. This is what you're going to get. Transfer this to a bowl. I'll be using my silicone ice cube tray for storage. You can use a glass container. Just cover with oil and put in the fridge and use whenever you want to. This keeps it last longer, even for months. For my ice cube tray, freeze for 4 to 6 hours. I left mine the whole day. I'm gonna pop it up now and store that in a Ziploc bags in the freezer. Use this to marinate your fish, your meat, add it to your sauce, stew, and thank me later. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.